told you I don't like the idea. Why are we still talking about this?
Peter, this isn't about what you like, okay? This is about what is necessary.
I don't want you to go back there. Why would the CEO all of a sudden want you to come back after being sacked?
But I already told you the manager was the one that sacked me, not the CEO. And the CEO has the right to give me my job back. Okay? And that's what he's doing.
Things don't work that way. Why would the CEO go against the manager's decision and bring you back to the office after getting sacked?
Because he can. Because he can.
Can you just listen to yourself? That's because he has ulterior motives,
What
and
do
you know
you
it.
mean he has ulterior motive?
There's a reason why he hired the manager. He can't just go against the manager's will and bring you back to the office. He's going to ask you for something in return, and I don't want you to put yourself in that position.
He's not going to ask for sex if that's what you're thinking. And if that's to be the case, I can always say no.
Just listen to yourself. Just listen to yourself. I saw the way that man was looking at you the last time I came to pick you up. And I know he's going to try and use that to get into your pants.
And you don't think I can handle the situation as a married woman that I am? See, I know you have trust issue, but...
This is not about trust.
Then what is it about, Peter? What is it about? You lost your job a few months ago, and since then it's been very hard for us. Like, how do we feed? How are we supposed to survive if we don't have the money to take care of us? You know we need this job. You know I need this job. You know we need that money. So what are you saying?
I don't want you going back there, and that is final.
This man, your ego is going to kill you one day. I am so happy for you. This is the best job.
I know, right?
Like you're not even stressing.
After the whole back and forth searching for a job,
I know,
finally.
Right? I know, like God's time is really the best.
Yes, it is.
And it's Mondays to Fridays.
Yep.
And your husband is okay with that?
Sure, why wouldn't he be?
Oh, my friend, you're really lucky. Your husband is such a good man. I don't know why I'm so unlucky in this marriage thing.
Don't say that, Rosie. You're not unlucky. Why would you even say a thing like that?
We've been having issues. Like, we've been having serious issues and it's really eating me up.
What's going on?
Ever since this man lost his job, it's just been so hard. It's been so hard for us. His mother and his brother have been the ones assisting us for the past 2 months now.
I'm so sorry about that. But isn't he doing anything about it?
Of course he is. He's been trying his best to get a good paying job. But the real problem is he doesn't want me to work. Like, each time I come up with something, he always have excuses, complaints. Okay, so I spoke to my former boss to let me come back to work. And the man agreed. He even told the manager to call me back, but my husband refused.
Why?
Well, according to him, the man has an ulterior motive. He says the man has eyes for me.
What? That's absurd.
What kind of a man doesn't want his wife to work? Even when he's financially down, just because he's being jealous.
Look, I'm so sorry you're going through all this. I don't even know what to say. You know your husband is a very jealous man.
And that is the annoying part. It's really getting out of hand, babe. I mean, look at you and your husband cooperating, working together to build a life for you and your family. To build wealth. While mine is locking me indoors because he has stupid insecurities.
No, calm down. Don't sound like that. Okay? I'm so sorry about all this. Please don't beat yourself up about it, okay? I'm sure he'll come around.
I'm just tired. I have nothing going on for myself. He won't let me work. He won't let me do anything. You know what? I really did not come here to talk about my problems. I came here for you. I'm so happy. I'm so happy.
I know.
I'm so happy. Oh my God, you deserve this and more.
Thank you so much.
We should go and celebrate.
Of course
we should go and pop champagne.
Yes.
Come on, girl. I'm so happy.
That's the spirit.
Babe. Good morning, babe.
Morning, babe. How are you?
I'm fine.
Did you sleep?
Are you going somewhere?
Yeah, I'm going somewhere. I found a vacancy online and the location is not far from here. So I'm like, why not give it a shot?
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
That's great. Alright, babe. Good luck.
Yeah, thank you very much, babe. Enjoy your sleep, okay? Linda, I'm asking you a question. Why did you go back there?
Peter, I don't have your time this night, please. I'm exhausted.
Don't you even dare. Don't dare, Linda. Linda, you still went back to that office even after everything I said. Do you even respect me at all?
Respect you? Peter, we've got bills to pay and you're talking about respect.
Is that the only way going back to that CEO? He practically undresses you with his eyes.
Here we go again with your stupid jealousy.
Jealousy? You call that jealousy? Linda, it's obvious the man wants you and you want to give him whatever he wants.
Well, unlike you, I saw an opportunity and I took it. I won't let my pride get into the way of surviving.
But that doesn't mean you get to throw yourself
Throw myself? Peter, is that what you really think of me? That I'm just some desperate woman looking for attention?
You're choosing him over us. Over me.
Wow. Wow, Peter. We've been married for over a year now. And somehow you don't even trust me. You have... You know what? I'm done. I can't take this anymore. It's killing me. Your jealousy, your distrust is killing me. It's unbearable. I cannot. I'm done. I'm tired.
Linda, get back here. Linda, I'm talking to you.
I knew he was going to do it.
Children always be children. This boy.
Are you expecting anyone?
No. Maybe it's a neighbor. Let me just check. Hold on. Linda, come in. Is everything okay? Are you okay? What's wrong? Why are you crying?
My husband. We had a fight.
Linda. Oh my goodness. Why are you crying? I'm so sorry.
So sorry.
I'm really sorry about that.
Sorry,
Are you okay?
Sandra, please, can I stay here for a while?
Sure. Of course you can stay. You know you're welcome here anytime you want.
Thank you.
I'm so sorry. Don't worry. We have to sort out issues very soon, okay? Sorry, let me help with your bag. It's okay. So sorry.
So, when will Auntie Linda leave?
Sarah.
It's just a simple question, Dad. So
Zara.
why are you angry?
Auntie Linda is going to be here for a while. Okay?
But why? Why we still leave our house instead of fixing things with our husband?
Would you be quiet? What do you know about couples fighting?
I know you and Dad rarely fight, but even when you do, you never leave your house to go stay with your friend, like she did.
Okay, Sarah, shut it. Shut it. Have I not warned you to stay out of adult business? Now eat your food.
Okay, Dad, I've heard you. But until...
Hey! Please, forgive our manners.
It's okay.
Why is this woman not picking her phone? Any small argument like this. Hello, Mama. Good afternoon, ma. Mama, it's your daughter, oh. It's your daughter, oh. She has started again, oh. Small arguments. She packed her bags and left her husband's house. No, Mama. Don't tell me to calm down. Don't tell me to calm down. I did not do anything, no. Mama, I did not do anything, no. There is nothing I did. You know how your daughter gets. Any little thing, she has started raging and she has left the house. I have been calling her. Nowhere to be found. Mama, please, I cannot take this. I cannot even take this. If she does not come back to her husband's house, I am going to end this marriage. Simple and short, ma. Thank you very much.
Your friend, how long is she staying for?
She didn't say, but I'm sure it's temporary. They just need to work through their issues, and I know that she'll be back on her feet very soon.
You think I should talk to the husband?
Babe, no, I don't think that's necessary. I mean, they're both adult and obviously just need time to cool off. Just one of those moments couples have.
Yeah, you're right. But I just hope and pray that we are never that couple.
I pray so too. Thank you so much for being so understanding and accommodating her. I really appreciate you.
Well, first of all, this is your space too. Okay, it's your call. And she's your best friend. Plus, we do have the space. So, how is she doing really?
She's upset. Even though she's trying to be positive, well, I know she's upset. She just needs time to process everything.
Well, let her know that she can take all the time that she needs. Okay?
Oh. You're so sweet, you know that, right?
Yeah, I know. Besides, someone has to take care of you and your best friend. But seriously though, I hate it when women are being treated badly, especially by their husbands.
This too will pass.
Yeah.
I said you're sweet and you said you know.
I know now.
It's the
I'm
pride
sweet.
for you.
I'm sweet like shit. What are you doing here? You're not sleeping yet?
No, I'm not feeling sleepy yet. I'm just trying to relax here.
Okay. But I just came to grab a bottle of water.
Okay.
Penny for your thoughts? Can I sit with you for a bit?
Oh, sure.
I can see through your smile. I know you're hurting. I know you're not good. But I also want you to know that this is just a phase in your marriage and it will pass. Okay, couples have issues all the time. You and your husband, you guys will fix it. You'll be fine. Okay?
Yeah, couples have issues all the time, but like me and Peter, we just take it to a whole new level. We constantly fight over trivial and irrational things. He's so egocentric, jealous, and extremely insecure. I mean, it doesn't make sense, especially considering the fact that he lost his job a couple of months ago. I've been trying to get a job, he won't let me. How are we supposed to survive? We've been married for over a year now, and my husband doesn't trust me. He's constantly suspicious of my every move and always accusing me of trying to cheat on him, which is completely untrue. I'm just trying to be a supportive wife. I mean, isn't marriage supposed to be built on some level of trust and understanding?
Yes, you're right. Marriage is supposed to be built on trust and understanding, but it's also a two-way street. Both couples have to work on it. And yes, I do admit, we men sometimes we can be, overly protective, especially when our partners are this beautiful.
Oh, please.
I'm serious.
So you actually think I'm beautiful?
Wait, is that really a question? Is it not obvious?
I mean, you're also a very handsome man, and I don't see Sandra drowning in jealousy.
Okay, maybe this will make you feel better, right? Yes, Sandra does get jealous sometimes. Even I get jealous sometimes. But we find a way to make it work. We walk through our issues. What I'm saying is, you guys will be fine. Okay, just give it time. You guys will fix this. I believe in both of you. Okay?
Okay.
So, on that note, good night, Linda.
Good night to you too. I'm doing around here. This is the least I can do. Come on. And I actually enjoy cleaning on my free time.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Because I have someone who comes to clean occasionally. You don't have to stress yourself.
It's fine. Don't worry. I thought you resumed by 10 a.m. on Thursdays.
Yes, I do. You're correct. But I have to drop Zara off school. I don't have the energy to take her to school, come back, and then go to work, face all that traffic. So I'll just drop her and then wait around in the office until it's opening time.
I understand. Zara, darling, how are you?
Zara, she's talking to you. Can't you greet?
Good morning.
Zara.
Mama, I'll be out.
I'm sorry about that. Please ignore her.
It's fine. It's fine. Come on, it's fine.
Thank you for understanding.
It's okay. Have a good day today,
You
okay?
too.
Don't stress too much.
I'll try.
All right, Bo. Bye. Child is so rude.
Why do I have to get the worst? When I thought I gave you my best. Why do you have to pay?
Oh my god. I'm so sorry.
Just
I didn't know you were here. So sorry.
Why do I have to get the worst? When I thought I gave you my best. I gave you my heart. I gave you my heart. I gave you everything. So you can.
Hi, Williams. I'm so sorry about what happened earlier. Like, I didn't know you were in there.
It's fine. It was clearly an accident. It's fine.
Okay.
Have you had something to eat?
Oh, no. But I'll do that. I'll make something later.
Cool.
Yeah.
So I should just probably head out. So you have a good day.
Yeah, you too. Yeah. Bye. Sorry. Okay, so I made you pasta and turkey stew. I heard that's your favorite.
You still haven't told me why you came to pick me up from school yourself.
Well, your both parents are still at work, so I thought it would be easier for me to pick you up instead. Is that a problem?
Of course, I'd prefer to stay in school and wait for my mom than to have you come pick me up.
Why?
You're not my mom, and I prefer my mom's company to yours.
I'm not saying I'm your mom I'm not trying to act like your mom either. Come on, I just want to be Zara. We used to be very close. I mean, I could come pick you from school. So what happened? I'm just trying to be useful around here.
Useful? Well, I saw you cleaning this morning. I think that's useful enough for you. So please, don't come to pick me up from school again. It's either my mom or my dad. You got it?
How did Sandra manage to raise such a brat? Hey, look at this child. It's either my mom or not. It's either your mom or not. You're not even happy I'm coming to pick you. I don't blame you.
Linda! Come out now, I know you're in there. Linda!
What is it?
What are you still
What
doing
are you doing here? Why are you shouting?
What are you still doing here? Is this your house?
Please, don't come causing nuisance here.
You know what? I'm not even ready for this, your drama now. Just go in there and get your bags and let's leave this place now. In fact, let's even leave now.
Leave me alone. I'm not going anywhere.
Linda, why are you so stubborn? Like, why are you so stubborn? Is this your house? Is this your home?
Peter, you can call it whatever you want to call it, but I am not going back to that house until I'm sure you're remorseful for your action and willing to change.
Linda, don't you have any atom of shame? Don't you have any shame? Is this your home? Because of a little, small argument, you left your house and came to another woman's house. For what? You know, sometimes I wonder how I ended up with a dumb, shameless woman like you.
Okay, fine. I can see you're not ready to change. I am not ready for this nonsense.
Linda, come back here. Linda! Linda! Okay.
Hey.
Hey. Hi.
Are you okay?
My husband came here today.
He came to this house?
Yes, he did. He said a lot of hurtful things to me about how I should be ashamed for not being able to keep my family together.
I'll tell you that is bullshit. If anyone should be ashamed, it should be him. Okay, look. I want you to do something for me. I want you to relax. Just calm down. Your husband, he's just trying to project his insecurities on you. And you have a responsibility to not allow that happen. Do not allow it to sink in. Okay?
Okay.
Look, I know you're married to him and all, but you're a full-grown adult. And you have a right to make your own decisions. You understand me?
Yeah, I understand.
And do not allow anyone make you feel less about yourself.
Yeah.
You have a right to be happy. You have a right to do whatever makes you happy. Do you understand?
I understand. Thank you.
You're welcome. So, you're welcome.
Dad.
Hey! Hey, sweetheart. What's going on? How are you?
Good evening, Daddy.
Good evening. How are you doing?
I'm fine. So what were you doing with her?
She's not feeling too good, so I just wanted to cheer her up. How are you?
Okay. Can you please open my text?
Okay, what do we have here? What do we do it?
Math.
Math. Alright, let's sit down and look at it. Huh? Okay.
I really don't like your friend. I don't like her.
Sarah, what exactly don't you like about her?
I don't just like her. I really don't.
Just like that. What do you even know? Baby, you need to learn to be helpful to others, okay?
I know, but I don't like seeing her, especially around Dad. The other day, I saw them sitting close to each other.
Enough. Enough, Zara. What is your problem? Is this what you're learning in school? How to stick your nose where it doesn't belong? Your father already explained to me that Auntie Linda was feeling down and he was only trying to lift her spirit. But no, not you, Zara. Zara must paint a different picture. Aren't you too young to think like this? Aren't you?
I'm sorry, Mom.
What? I don't think it's fair that you're always being disrespectful to her for no reason.
I'm sorry.
Just stop it, okay?
Okay, Mommy.
That's my girl. Now I'm just gonna put this bun and make your hair prettier with. See that full front hair. So what happened in school today?
It's about my teacher. It's just Esther.
Esther again? What did she do this time? Spill? Tell me, give me this tea.
I really don't like the way she's behaving.
What is she? Are you okay?
I'm trying to be.
My husband told me what happened. How Peter came all the way here to say all those hurtful things to you.
He did. He even said more. But like, I'm over it already. Your husband really helped with words of encouragement, so it's fine.
It's okay. I'm so sorry.
It's okay.
Peter is just proving it difficult. He will come around soon.
I hope so. I really hope so. How are you? How's your day?
Well, it was good, just work stress.
LA.
Why don't you come down with me so we can all have dinner together?
No, it's fine. Don't worry. I'll eat mine here.
Why?
Zara doesn't like me. And I'm just trying to keep off her lane.
What? Come on, Linda, you can't be serious. She's just a kid and she doesn't mean half of what she says.
I know. Like, I'm not angry. I'm not pissed. Like, I just... You know, sometimes you just have to grant children their wishes sometimes. I mean, it's okay. I'm not angry at all. I'm just trying to keep off.
Anyway, at least you're laughing.
Yeah.
Okay, if you insist.
It's okay. You should go down and eat. You've had a long day.
Yeah. Okay. Alright, sure.
Alright.
Don't think too much, okay?
That's fine.
Don't worry, Peter will come around. He's just doing shakara.
Okay.
It's called initial grad.
Yeah. Yeah.
So guys, what are we doing this weekend?
The beach.
The beach. The beach. I like the beach. The beach is good. The beach is good.
Sounds good.
But Mom, don't tell me you're going to work tomorrow.
Unfortunately, I am.
But it's weekend.
I know, but Mom has some work she needs to take care of and I can't abandon it, okay? Please understand.
It's been 3 weeks since we had a family hangout. If you're free, Mom is busy. And when Mom is free, you're busy.
I understand. It's work. But don't worry. We will make it up to you, okay?
Okay, Mom.
You know what? We will start making it up to you tomorrow, okay? You know what we're going to do? We're going to go and see a movie after the beach. Would you like that?
Okay, Dad. I love it.
That sounds like fun.
Cool. So it's your food, yeah?
That is girl.
Zara, you look so good in this fit.
Thank you.
No, right?
What so?
So we are going out just to hang. I mean, it's the weekend after all, so.
Oh, nice. Can I join you guys? I've been stuck in here for too long. I haven't stepped out since I came. I'm bored.
Of course, you can join us, of course.
Okay.
No, you can't. This is a father and a daughter acting. So please don't come ruin it for us.
Zara!
Dad, nobody should replace Mommy.
I just wanted to get fresh air, nothing else, but it's fine.
Get some fresh air or you just want to be close to my dad.
Okay, Zara, stop it. Stop it this minute. What is wrong with you?
Dad, she.
Will you stop it? I said shut it. Now apologize to her.
I'm sorry. Dad, please can we go? Oh, please, I'm outside waiting for you.
I am so sorry. So sorry.
It's fine. I understand. It's okay.
Come in.
Hey, you're back.
Yes, I'm back.
How did it go? Did you guys have fun?
Yeah, we did. We had an amazing time. It was
Okay.
good. The reason why I came to apologize to you. Zara's behavior, I don't understand it. It's just.
It's fine, William. She's just a child. It's okay.
Thank you for understanding.
It's fine.
So you say you get bored?
Oh yeah, I'm in here all day, so yeah, I get bored sometimes, and I can't even go out because of my husband.
Oh yeah. I'm sorry about that. You know, I get so busy. I forget.
It's alright. You're a busy man.
Yeah. I just feel like I need to say this. Listen. I get you. I know it can be boring in this house. If you ever need someone to talk to just share your thoughts with, you have me, okay? I'm here for you.
Really?
Of course. Of course. I just want you to know that, okay? So, yeah. I just.
To be honest, Williams, there's something intriguing about you. I don't know how to explain it, but like, the more we talk, the more I'm drawn to you. I think I like you. I'm sorry, I'm just blabbing.
No, you're not blabbing. Like,
Why do I have to go the world? When I thought I gave you my best.
I'm sorry.
I have to get going.
I'm sorry.
Just to open it. Why do I have to go the worst? When I thought I gave you my best. I gave you my heart. I gave you my heart. I gave you everything. I thought you cared.
Hey.
I gave you my heart.
Hi, how are you?
How are you?
How are you?
I'm great. I'm great.
You are?
Yeah.
Are you sure? Babe, what's wrong? You don't look like your usual self.
Oh, it's work. I'm just thinking about work. I'm
Work?
Just get stressed out.
Babe, today is Saturday. It's Saturday night. Why are you thinking about work? Come on. You have a whole of tomorrow to even chill. So why don't you just stop thinking of work and relax? When Monday comes, we'll face it together.
Thank you, mommy.
Good boy. What about Zara?
She should be in her room.
Have you both had dinner?
Of course, we have.
Without me.
Well, she was hungry. It was her fault. I told
Traitor!
her but she refused.
Okay, baby. Are you sure you're okay?
I'm right now. I'm better, much better.
Your energy's off.
Because I was just thinking a lot, but I'm good now.
All right. I was just freshen up.
Oh, of course.
We'll join you soon.
She's not supposed to be home right now.
I'm coming. Hey, you're back.
Yes.
Sorry, I dozed off. Are you okay?
Oh, not really. I have a severe headache, so I decided to take the day off and come and cool off.
Oh, sorry about that.
Are you sure you're okay?
Oh yes. I'm okay. I slept off, so your call woke me up.
Look rough.
I'm good.
Okay.
I'm good. You should go take medicine or something.
Sure.
Yeah.
I wanted to check on you to know if you're good.
Thank you. I am good.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Babe? Come in.
Thank you. Good day, ma. There's a man outside insisting on seeing you without an appointment.
Name?
Peter Robinson, ma.
Okay, send him in.
Alright, ma.
Good day, Peter. So what do I owe this visit?
Sandra, I'm not happy with you.
Why?
Your friend has a small misunderstanding with her husband and the best she can do is avoid me.
What has this got to do with me?
It has everything to do with you. What do you mean? You're the one accommodating her.
So what should I do? Throw her out?
That's not what I'm saying. You are supposed to be her best friend. And the best you can do is make her understand that she has to come home. How are we supposed to resolve our issues when she won't even give me some listening ears?
But you're not even ready to fix things.
Is that what she told you? That's not true. Look, see, I know I can be jealous sometimes. But Linda is very, very stubborn. She doesn't even respect my decisions.
Respect goes both ways, Peter. And look, I don't want to be caught up in the middle of this your issue. Trust me.
I don't want you to. But she has to come home. I miss my wife. I just need an opportunity to talk to her. How are we supposed to make things work if she's not going to even listen to me? I know I could overreact, but please.
But are you even willing to do right by her this time?
Yes, please. I am begging you, please, tell her to come home. Please. I need my wife. I've been alone for too long. This is just going on for too long. I'm lonely. Please. Help me beg my wife, please. Let her come home. Okay? Please, Sandra, please.
Okay, that's fine. I'll see what I can do.
Thank you very much, Sandra. Thank you very much. I will totally appreciate it, okay? Thank you very much.
Why do I have to get the worst? When I thought I gave you my best.
Hey, what's wrong?
Why do you have to pay?
This, us, is wrong.
Just the opposite.
I know.
Yeah, but like, somehow, the more I try to pull away, the deeper I fall.
The feeling is mutual.
So what should we do now?
I don't know. I honestly don't know.
Gave you my heart, gave you my heart. Did you have to bend the words for the good of the deed? What did I do to deserve this? Did you have to pay the words for the good of the deed?
Dad,
You're back.
where's Mom?
Yeah, she's still working. Yes, she's still at work.
Okay, so what are you doing in Auntie Linda's room?
Okay, Auntie Linda, she's She's a bit under the weather. She's not feeling too well. So I just went in there to give her like her medications and stuff. That's basically it.
Really? But I saw her cleaning this morning. She looked fine. So how did she suddenly fall sick?
Come on, baby girl. People fall sick all the time. It happens. Just like it's happened.
Dad, she's trying to come close to you.
Okay. Stop. Okay, stop saying all this nonsense about Auntie Linda. I don't
I
like it.
don't like it.
I said, shut your mouth. Shut your mouth. Shut it. So just go inside and freshen up. I'm sure you're hungry. I'll get you something to eat.
Dad, she likes you.
You shut it. Sarah, stop talking about nonsense. I said go freshen up. I'll get you something to eat.
No, I'll wait for my mom. Oh, Mommy!
My princess, how are you?
I'm fine, Mommy. I was back today.
What was beautiful, though, hectic. I can see you watching your favorite show.
Yes, please. Please can you join me?
Of course I will.
Okay, thank you, Mommy.
Just for a minute. I'm so tired.
Oh, you're back.
Yes.
We've been waiting for you. You finally decided to come back.
Sure. Go to your room now, okay? Okay, Nanny. Go and work on your homework.
Yes, please.
How was your day?
It was hectic, but can't complain.
Oh, so sorry. How are you managing though?
Thank God.
Sorry.
It's okay.
You told me you wanted to talk to me about something when you get back.
That's right.
Okay.
Linda, I think it's time for you to go home.
What? Why? Did I do anything wrong?
No. It's not you. You didn't do anything wrong. Actually, your husband was at the office today.
He came?
Yes. And with the way he looked, honestly, that man misses you so much. And he wants his wife back home. I advise you to go home. Go to him. I mean, he's sorry. He's making effort. He's trying to reach you, but you're blocking him everywhere. How are you both supposed to work things out if you don't even hear him out? Let me tell you something, my friend. It's not easy anywhere. Marriage is not a bed of roses. We fight, we make up. And if you ask me, I would say that we'll fight so that we can find our way back to each other. I would advise you to go home to your husband.
But Sandra, you know how Peter has always been. He apologizes, we get back together, things seems normal for a while, and the next moment he just slipped back to his old ways.
Well, what if this time is different? You wouldn't know if you don't give him a chance. At least he deserves the benefit of the doubt. Please go home to your husband, please.
It's fine, my friend, I'll go. I just hope this time around is different.
It will be different. So you've decided to give forgiveness and love a chance. Yourself, don't you miss your husband? Talk true. Yes, you do. You're your coconut head.
It's fine, I'll go because of you.
I'm just saying, okay? I'm just saying. Okay, your friend going back to that toxic man, I don't think it's a good idea. I've said my own.
Come on, babe. Toxic. How can you even say that? I told you he begged. He literally came to my office and begged. The way he looked, the way he expressed himself. That poor man misses his wife. She should go home and sort out her issues. Come on. Of course, couples fight. And they're meant to settle. But how would they settle if they're so far apart from each other?
I hear you. I'm not saying I don't hear you, but I'm saying it's a bad idea. Okay, I mean, look at your friend. Look at when she came, how she was looking. Look at her now. So happy, so full of life. Okay, I'm just saying, maybe at least she can just stay for like, I don't know, 3 weeks, a month, so that he can at least learn his lesson. People like that need to learn their lesson. I'm saying it.
Learned. With the way he was begging, trust me, he has. Okay. And with the things she has said to me about him, I don't think he's the type of man that begs. But this time around, he begged.
He doesn't even beg. Are you seeing?
But he did.
Okay. I'm just saying it's a bad idea. That's all.
I hear you. Thank you for looking out for her. But she needs to go home. Okay? She needs to go home to her husband, let them sort themselves out. And she already agreed to go tomorrow.
Wait, she did?
Mm-hmm.
It's fine. It's fine. I'm just saying it's a bad idea, okay? If both of you insist, then it's fine. But when she gets back home, that man will do the same thing all over again. And then she'll start calling you, and then you start stressing me out. It becomes a vicious cycle. That's all I'm saying. Because I know people like that, they don't change. They never change. They never change.
No,
and then he's going to stress her again, and then she's going to start stressing you, and then you're going to start stressing me. I'm just looking out for myself at this point. But it's fine.
Let's give him the benefit of the doubt, okay?
It's a bad idea. I've said it. I'm still saying it's a bad idea, but it's fine.
It's fine. All I need right now is a cuddle from my own
I just care about you. I just care about things that concern you. That's just it.
It's okay. It'll be fine, okay?
All right, babe. It's all right.
Oh, don't worry. She'll be okay. Sweet dreams, baby.
Yeah, sweet dreams.
Why do I have to get the worst? When I thought I gave you my best. Why do you have to pay? Just the opposite for everything I did. Why do I have to get the worst? When I thought I gave you my best. I gave you my heart. I gave you my heart. I gave you everything. You can. I gave you my heart. I gave you my heart.
Come in. Come in. Hey.
You have to pay the worst.
So, Sandra says you're leaving tomorrow?
Yes. Apparently, my husband wants to fix things.
Are you sure you want to go back there?
I have to. At least for the sake of your wife. She's been very good to me.
Yeah, you're right. I know I'm not supposed to say this, but I'm going to miss you.
Miss you too.
Did you have to bend the walls for the good of the deed? What did I do to you? Did you have to pay the worst for the good that I did? Oh, you love me.
I missed you. I miss you, babe. Even the house misses you. I've begged you, babe. Please, I'm sorry, okay? Please forgive me.
It's fine.
Oh, thank you very much, my love.
So, what did you make? Because hungry.
I didn't make anything. I was waiting for you now. Can't you see I've lost a lot of kilos? I miss your food. I miss your sweet food.
Good for you. Good for you.
Let's go. The wife is back! Guess what?
What, babe?
The interview I went for yesterday, you won't believe I got the job.
Wow!
I got the job! I got the job!
Oh my goodness!
Wow.
Babe!
Thank you,
so
God.
happy.
God has finally done
Thank you,
it.
Jesus. Thank
Yes,
you.
I
Thank
get
you.
to have my own office and the pay is very, very
wow,
good.
babe.
Very
I'm
good.
so happy for you.
Thank you, babe.
Thank you, God. Thank you so much, babe.
You know what's going to happen now? You're going to go up, put on a very nice dress, and I'm going to take you to a very fancy restaurant, okay?
Okay.
All right, baby.
Okay, hubby.
Let's go.
Okay, let me just get my phone.
Let's go.
So happy.
Yes, I have an emergency. It's like an emergency meeting, so I have to get to work.
Emergency meeting? It's the weekend. You didn't even mention.
Yeah, because it just came up. I have to get to work. In fact, I'm running late. I have to get going, okay?
But you promised Zara and I a weekend hangout.
Look, I know I did. All right? And I will make it up to you guys. Okay? If I get there on time, maybe I will even come back early. All right? I'll see you soon, okay? I really have to get going.
That's unusual.
I missed you so much. I couldn't stop thinking about you. I couldn't take my mind off.
I missed you too.
Did you?
Of course I did. Couldn't you tell?
I mean, every day feels like torture without you.
No, we have this moment, so...
I couldn't tell.
Because I did.
Yes. Hello, Agnes. How are you? It's been a while. To what do I owe this call? Wait, your husband is at home? He didn't go to work? No official meeting? Because I nothing, you know what, never mind. My husband, wait, no, he's not. He actually went to church for a quick service. Once he gets back, I'll tell him to call your husband as soon as possible. All right. Thanks for calling. Bye. This is strange. Wait, if Agnes's husband, who is the MD, is at home, then what official meeting did William say he was going to? I hope this is not what I'm thinking.
Hi, babe. Good evening.
Where are you coming from?
I went to the salon. I want to revamp my hair.
The salon. Over 7 hours. I've been home since 12 p.m.
So why didn't you tell me you were home?
I wanted to know when you were going to get back without having to call you.
I had a lot of things to do. I had so many hairs to revamp. I just wanted to get all of it at once.
Okay. No problem.
Okay, I'll be in the room.
Williams, where are you coming from?
I already told you. Coming from work.
Oh, please cut the crap. You went for a work meeting that the MD wasn't even aware of? Oh yes, newsflash. Agnes called, and guess what? Her husband was even trying to reach you.
Okay, I need you to calm down.
I should calm down. You lied to me.
I didn't lie.
When did you start lying to me? When did you start lying to me about your whereabouts?
I did not lie to you.
Are you hiding something from
I'm not hiding anything.
You are hiding something. What are you hiding? What are you hiding, Williams?
Fine. I'm hiding something, okay? I'm hiding something.
Really? What are you hiding? What are you hiding?
Look, this was supposed to be a surprise, but since you insist, I'll just tell you.
Okay.
I'm writing promotional exams.
Promotional exam?
Yes.
Really? Isn't that supposed to be good news?
Well, it's supposed to be great news. But I didn't want you to get you worked up because it's not final yet. I wanted to tell you when I have my promotional letter. That's it. That's what I'm hiding.
I'm so sorry. You should have told me. You know we tell each other everything. I even had to lie to Agnes to cover up.
I know. Look, I'm sorry, okay? I just wanted to surprise you. But I promise you I will never hide anything from you ever again.
Okay. Don't worry. You'll get the promotion, okay?
Amen. Sorry, babe. I need to freshen up, okay?
Okay. Promotion exam? By this time of the year. I'll just get you something to eat.
Okay, love.
Babes, I think my husband is cheating on me.
Cheating on you? How?
Hear me out. Okay, so he left home and lied about his destination. And when he came back, I confronted him. And this man had the guts to look me in the face and lie to me about going to write a promotional exam, which I know for a fact that his company takes that exam once in 2 years. And the last time my husband wrote that exam was 8 months ago. So, the lie was not adding up. I decided to look through his phone for the first time in my life, and guess what? I saw this particular number calling him constantly around the time that he left home. So I copied it. My instinct tells me that he's cheating on me,
Calm down,
Linda.
Sandra. I mean, what if he actually went for the promotional exams?
Can't you hear what I'm saying? He lied. And his company writes that exam once in 2 years.
What if things have changed? I mean, things can change.
So why did he lie? My husband doesn't lie to me. Something is not right. It's quite unusual.
So what are you insinuating?
I don't know. I want to call the number.
You do?
Yes, and whoever picks, if the person sounds official, then I'll just drop it and relax.
Go ahead. Call the number.
Not reachable.
What if you're just overthinking this? I mean, you might just be overthinking it. Don't worry. Your husband doesn't look like someone that's going to hurt you or do anything to hurt you.
Then why did he lie about where he was going to? Doesn't it seem off to you?
Sandra, calm down. I don't want you to conclude on anything without evidence. I don't want you both to start having these issues. See, this might just be a misconception. Although, if it is not, and I will stand by you.
Come on. You're just overthinking it. Williams is not like that.
Alright, fine, thank you.
Cheer up, Jerry.
How's your day been?
I've not even been able to concentrate on it.
So you're thinking... Come on.
Maybe I'm just overthinking it.
Yeah, I think you're just overthinking it.
Thank you so much.
It's okay. What am I here for?
Best friends for life.
We should go out for lunch.
I need that.
Hello? Williams, where are you? How could you be so careless not to delete my number off your phone after we met yesterday? Well, your wife thinks you're cheating on her. Yes. I mean, you have to do something ASAP. I mean, the only luck we have is the number she saw is my new number that she doesn't have, and I tried to make it unreachable. Oh, please. She didn't believe any of that cook and bull story. I mean, you should know your wife. She's a very smart and intelligent woman, and she's going to investigate this till the very end.
we need to do something about this. We need to do something about it. We need to make her... I don't know, we just need to do something about it. You just need to come up with something. You need to make her take her mind off this.
Okay, thank you very much. I'll do something about it.
Babe, are you not coming to bed?
I will. Let me just round up with my night routine.
Okay. I think I'll just go check on Zara.
Okay.
Yeah. Just leave the phone here. It's not like I need it. See how the little one is doing.
Okay. Hello, babe. Sorry I'm calling you at this ungodly hour.
No problem, what's up?
I think I found something. Remember the number I told you about? That same number just texted saying I can't wait to see you tomorrow.
Okay, but we can follow him and see for ourselves.
Exactly my plan.
Okay, by what time does your husband leave?
8 a.m.
I'll be ready at 7 a.m.
Alright, thank you so much for this, okay? I appreciate it. Alright, good night. Bye.
Sandra, we've been trailing your husband since morning, still nothing.
Can we just wait a bit longer? At least we saw him enter that building. I'm sure that's
Okay,
where she
oh.
lives. Shortly he will come out.
I don't see any reason why we're here.
He obviously isn't going to sleep in her house. Wait.
See what I told you. That looks like his business partner.
I feel bad.
I told you, didn't I? Are you satisfied now? Okay. Please, let's go home. I'm tired. Thank you so much for dropping me off.
Don't mention it. I dragged you out of your house early in the morning. Least I could do is to drop you off.
It's fine. Those are things we do for the ones we call our own.
But he still lied about that promotional exam. What am I supposed to make out of it?
Come on. I get it that you said the company policy, the promotional exam is once in 2 years. But what if they've actually changed? Stop creating problems where there is no.
You know what, you're right. I want to do it again.
Better. Because Williams doesn't look like someone that will even hurt you. Not to talk of cheating on you. Come on now.
You're right. Thank you so much.
It's okay. Now go home to your husband.
I'm so sorry I dragged you
Let me
into
see
this.
you off. It's okay.
Thank you.
Sorry.
I'm so sorry.
Do I have to get the word? When it hurt, I gave you my best. Why do you have to pay? Just the opposite. Everything I do. Why do I have to get the worst? When I thought I gave you my best. gave him my heart. Gave him my heart. Gave him everything.
Oh, babe, you look so hot.
Babe, please, I don't have the energy for that.
Oh, babe, I really can't wait to have you, okay?
I don't have the strength for that, babe.
You don't have strength, but I'm the one doing all the work.
And I'm the one staying at home doing all the chores, remember? That is what you want. So please, tired, I beg.
Babe, I thought we've gone past
I
this.
said I'm tired! What part of that don't you understand? I'm tired, please. I want to sleep.
Gave him my heart. Gave him my heart. Did you have to burn the ones for the good of the deed? What did that do to deserve? Did you have to pay the ones for the good of the deed?
Babe, have you seen the document you're looking for?
I think it should be downstairs. It should be downstairs. I'll look downstairs.
Oh, you love me too. I gave you my heart and let you in. Oh, gave you my heart and
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me. Hold on. I'm sorry, ma'am.
It's okay.
I was trying to stop him, but he forcefully got his way into the office.
It's okay. You can go.
Thank you, ma'am.
Sandra, I knew
What is the
it.
meaning of this?
Sandra, I knew it. My wife has been cheating on me.
What? Can you calm down? What happened?
I forgot a fire. I went back home to get the fire and suddenly my wife's phone beeped.
Okay.
Only for me to find out she's been texting, there's been a guy texting my wife. Sandra, I knew it. I said these things.
But is that enough for you to conclude?
I took a screenshot of this thing.
We don't even know if...
Sandra, my wife is cheating on me.
Calm down. It could be anything.
Sandra, my wife is cheating on me. Oh my God. I knew it.
Wait.
I knew it.
Peter. This is my husband's number.
Wait, what?
Why is your wife getting text messages from my husband?
That's your husband's number?
Yes!
Why would your husband be texting my wife? Oh my God.
Oh my goodness.
Babe, are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine. I'm just tired. It's work.
Even when I came to greet you, you didn't answer me. Doesn't like you.
I'm fine. It's just work stress.
Are you sure? You know you can always talk to me, right?
I know, that's why I said I'm fine. I'm telling you, I'm fine.
Mom.
Hey, it's okay. I said I'm fine. You know what? I've lost my appetite since you both will just let me eat in peace.
Dad.
Don't worry about it, baby girl. Your mom is just stressed. It's work, okay? Eat your food. Go ahead, eat. Eat, huh?
So, Mom, I'm done with the theory part of the tax, but I don't understand the number 7. They said we should align on the project work accordingly. I don't get it, Mom. Can you please explain? Mom! Mom!
Yes, baby. Did you say something?
Mom, I thought I was your best friend.
Of course you are. Of course you're my best friend.
I tell you everything, Mom, but it's quite unfair you don't tell me everything too. You have been like this for a while now, always lost in your thoughts.
Baby, I wish I could tell you, but you're too young to understand.
Mom, you can tell me everything. Please, Mommy.
Okay, my love. I promise I'll tell you everything later. But right now, Mommy needs you to help her execute a plan.
Okay, Mommy.
Do you think you can do that?
Yes, please.
High five. Welcome, honey.
What's wrong with her?
I don't know. The school called to come pick her up. Said she's burning up with fever.
Burning up?
Yes.
So why didn't you take her to the hospital? You know what, let's just...
I don't want to go to the hospital. I want to see Grandma.
Grandma?
Yes.
That's what she has been saying, that she wants to see Grandma.
But baby girl, it's not the holidays. You can't see Grandma now. You have school.
I want to see Grandma.
I've been telling her the same thing. You have school.
Listen, baby girl, I have work. Your mom has work. There's no way we could go see Grandma now. You have to wait.
I want to see Grandma.
What do we do?
I cannot do anything. I can't just send a sick leave to leave the office.
You don't have to. I'll take her. Besides, it's the weekend, so I don't have to worry about work.
Are you sure you can handle it?
Sure. Let's just grant her this wish, okay? You know she hasn't seen Grandma in like a year.
All right. Baby girl, you go see Grandma, okay?
Okay, Daddy.
And I hope all this is not because you miss Grandma.
No, Mommy. I want to see Grandma.
Okay, fine.
Sorry,
You'll see
baby girl.
Grandma.
Okay, Daddy.
Babe, I'll be going on a work trip this weekend.
Work trip already?
Yeah. Don't worry, I'll be back before you know it. It's just a weekend trip.
Babe, this work is already keeping you away. Oh.
Don't worry, I won't take time, okay?
Okay, so can I come?
I really wish you could, babe. I really wish you could.
That's fine then. Make sure you take good care of yourself. You know you can't do without me.
I know, Mommy. All right, it's time to go to bed. Enough of the phones.
Okay.
Come here.
Okay, Daddy.
soon.
Miss you too, baby girl. I miss you both.
That is good.
All right.
That's good.
It's really... Hey, love. How are you?
I'm doing very well, and yourself?
I'm good. But, just missing you.
You have no idea.
Your husband, where is he?
He's not around.
He's not back from work?
Well, my husband went on a work trip to Ibadan and he won't be back till Monday.
You know the reason why I called you was to tell you that my wife and kid went to see grandma. They'll be back on Sunday.
For real?
Yes, for real. You know, sounds like a good time for us.
Oh, I love the sound of that.
I'll show you.
Why is she not coming out?
Let's just wait. She will come out, then we'll follow her. It's late. You think they have any other plans?
I don't know. What do we do now?
I suggest we get a hotel and lodge for the night.
I doubt if I can be able to sleep this night. Let's just wait a little while.
I'm tired.
She's tired. Obviously, she needs some rest.
Okay, fine. Let's go back to the car.
Let's go to the car.
Why do I have to get the worst? When I thought I gave you my best. Why do you have to pay? Just the opposite of everything I did. Why do I have to get the worst? When I thought I gave you my best. Gave you my heart, gave you my heart.
Hi, Paul. I'm fine, thank you. Do you really miss me that much? Yeah, right. Really, is that safe?
You have to pay the worst for the good and hard.
Okay. I'll see you. Bye.
My home right into my home is mine.
That's her.
Yeah.
Let's go.
No, you don't have to go now. She's just getting in. Just be patient. Just take it easy. Calm down.
I'm so sorry, Peter. Please.
You called me a madman for thinking you could cheat on me?
How could you? I didn't mean for any of this to happen, Sandra.
Babe, I know how this looks. I can explain, okay? Just calm down.
You can explain? You can explain? And you're my best friend. You stupid!
Hey, 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 hey!
How could you? How could you? How could you? How could you do this to me? How could you? How could you do? I really can't stop myself from shaking as I find the words to express how deeply I'm hurt. I trusted Linda with every tear and every hope that I had. And she was my best friend. I shared my secrets. I shared my home. I shared everything with her. She was like a sister to me. I didn't think she would do this to me. But I guess humans are just selfish. How can someone I call my best friend, that I opened my door to, do this to me? Now I'm left with nothing but pain. With this haunting question of how I've been reduced to dust by the two people that I trusted the most. This is hard. I'm drowning in my own tears. I'm being betrayed by the two people I loved the most. This betrayal cut really deep. Deeper than any physical hurt I've ever had to feel or imagine. Now, where do I go from here? I can't even imagine a future where I'm completely healed from this betrayal. And do you know what is so sad about this? My daughter, she knew. She felt it. She even tried to warn me. I thought she was just a kid. I feel so foolish. I feel so stupid. How am I supposed to move on from this? How?
I do feel what you feel, Sandra. Wipe your tears. This is not on us. This is on the both of them.
Yes, you're right. And I believe the best thing to do is to move on. I mean, what other choice do we have? I have signed the divorce papers and I'll be leaving town soon. I just came to say goodbye.
Where would you go?
Myself and Zara will be joining my mom in Abuja. Maybe distance will help me heal. I need time to find myself again.
You're a good woman. You don't deserve this. You don't deserve none of this.
You neither. I lost my husband and my best friend all at once. But you also lost your wife, whom you loved very much. For that, I'm so sorry too.
Well, we both deserve better than what we got.
Yes, you're right. We do deserve better.
Well, if you and Zara ever need anything, I'm just a call away. Please do take care of yourself and Zara, okay?
Thank you.
Goodbye, Sandra. Do you want me to drop you off?
No, our ride is waiting. Thank you so much. Goodbye.
Please take care of yourselves, okay?
Thank you.
Bye, Zara.
When I thought I gave you my best, why do you have to pay? Just the opposite of everything I did. Why do I have to get the worst? When I thought I gave you my best, I gave you my heart, I gave you my heart, I gave you everything. I thought you cared. I gave you my heart, I gave you my heart. Did you have to bend the words for the good that I did? What did I do to deserve this? Did you have to pay the worst for the good that I did? Thought you loved me too. I gave you my heart.